What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have an all-new ride and review for you today. I'm going to a brand new steakhouse. Going to meet the cake dealer there. The place is called Lucky's Soho. I believe there are a few other locations of this steakhouse on the West Coast, maybe California. I don't know what to expect. It's literally something we just discovered like late last night when we were both like scrolling through our Instagram algorithms, and of course, you know, mine is filled with steak and bikes, and the cake dealer's is also filled with food and steaks because of, you know, the things that we do together. And she sent me the link to their menu, and I was like, let's go. So we booked a reservation. We have an early dinner, 5 o'clock dinner, so it'll still be daylight when we come out of there. It's located over in Soho, obviously, as the name might suggest. Lucky Soho. It's on Lafayette Street and like Spring. So right now I'm just cutting up Columbia, which turns into Avenue D when we cross over Houston. But then the way the streets line up, I'm gonna stay on Houston and just gun it over and then head down Lafayette. This guy's right on my ass, being a dick about it. They're doing a lot of construction over here. The bumps on the road are kind of wild. So I'm like weaving in and out here. Keep my eye on this traffic. Well, that was a bad bump. This guy's just slamming the brakes out of nowhere. So anyway, yeah, took a look at this menu and it looks fun. It looks like a mom and pop type of steakhouse, which you know, I'm a fan of. I like to support the small businesses instead of the big chains. Luckily, New York City, the chains here are not, thank you, they're not horrible. We have a few that are, you know, nationally known, like Ruth's Chris and Capital Grill. And they're not bad by any stretch, but I would much rather give my money to a local establishment with a historical significance, like, you know, Keen's or Luger's, something like that. I love those real classic old New York. It's a good time. What the hell's going on here, man? This is craziness right now. The road is completely ripped up right there. All right, let me just ride with traffic for a minute here. We had a great weekend this past weekend. Electric Wednesday, 718 Cruisers, NYC Zeus Club, and the S3 crew held a collaboration ride to kind of kick off the idea and the concept of Electric Wednesday group rides, where we celebrate our favorite places to hang out on Electric Wednesday, but we do it in a group ride format on the weekends. Check out some of the content on that ride. It was a lot of fun. Mr. E has an awesome video about that ride, and Electric Wednesday, the account that Andy's running now on YouTube, also has a great video. A lot of fun. We had some really nice giveaways. Just overall a really good, fun vibe. Positive, very positive. Let's see, where are we at here? Avenue A. Got a little bit of ways to go. Speaking of group rides, we also have a group ride coming up on the 29th of September, end of this month. We're going to be doing our annual end of summer Coney Island ride. We're just going to basically meet up at a distillery in Brooklyn and take a bomb ride out along the water to Coney Island. And then just head back after we enjoy some food and drink. Should be a good one. It'll be a good test of everyone's range, but my idea is to keep the pace real slow. You know, 20 miles an hour, a lot of pedaling. That way, everyone, even with the stock 750, will make it there and back, as long as they start the ride with pretty much full charge. We might have a little bit of charge along the way, or at our destination spot, Sandbar out there. They have some outlets outside, so that might be cool to get a little charge up there. Let's see if I can get across this. Yeah, we got the walk sign. That means we can ride. 2nd Ave, and that means this is Bowery, and so I think Lafayette is the next major intersection. If I had to guess, maybe 2 intersections from here. Yeah, because we got some of those Little Italy type streets. Elizabeth, Mulberry, Mont. It's a beautiful day. It's like mild mid-70s. It's perfect riding weather. Great time to do it if you're going to ride. Let's see, what's this? Okay, this is Lafayette, so I'm going the wrong way, but it's not long. Basically Spring, which is just a street or 2 down, so I'm gonna tough it out. Follow the delivery man. They know what's up when it comes to riding the wrong way. Little bit of a chill in the air when you're riding fast. I can't even get mad at that guy for not looking, because really he's going the right way, looking the right way. Same with this guy. Now it's 2-way though, so fuck him. So this place should be, oh, I can smell it. I smell burgers or steaks or something. Oh, it's got to be it. It's just up here on the right after I cross over, I think this is Spring Street. All right, let me pull off up here and see what's up. There's Lucky's. All right, I will see you on the inside. Hi.
Hi.
Wow, it's so cool in here.
What was this before?
I don't remember.
Was it the Vietnamese?
No, that was next door.
Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you. Cheers, baby. Oh, they have daily specials. Peaky toe crab. You don't see that very often. And this bread smells and looks awesome. Dig in. Wow, look at that. Cajun bacon. The plating reminds me of the old Delmonico style.
Yeah, I really like it.
Right? Thank you.
Is it?
Wow. Look at that.
I can't even see how it's
So Lucky Soho. Pretty good meal. I am gonna do like a whole big write-up on this because I haven't gone to a new steakhouse in a long time. So jump out to my website. I'll just say it now before the end of the video. Jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. Full review, full write-up, all the details, everything. My steakhouse reviews are super thorough. 10 categories, 10 points each category for a full score of 100 points. This one I'm thinking is probably going to land somewhere in the low 80s. Really enjoyed the duck. So, all right, let me just start from the beginning. We started off with some cocktails, really nice cocktails, pricey but good. The martini was nicely mixed, slightly dirty, just like I asked. Good stuff. My wife's cocktail was delicious. Starters, we did piquito crab and bacon. Let me get to those. Do those in order. Very much enjoyed the piquito crab. You don't really see that breed of crab too often on menus, especially like at a steakhouse. It's usually some kind of lump crab meat, maybe snow, Alaskan, something like that. So we jumped on that. It was expensive at 30 bucks, but really nice, good sweet meat. Enjoyed that. And then the bacon was a thick cut slabs. I would say maybe 3 slabs of thick cut bacon, Cajun flavored. It was good. The flavor was good, but it could have been rendered out a little bit more. The fat was definitely a little bit chewy, stringy in parts. So, and I like to eat fat, so I think that could have been executed a little bit better, but still tasty. You get across the street here into the bike lane. This traffic's a little crazy right now with the bridge. Then we moved on to mains. We started with the duck. The duck breast was a special. Very nice. It was cooked 2 ways. The breast was classically pan-seared with the crispy skin. Near perfect cook on that. The leg portion, or thigh, or drum, or whatever it was cooked confit style, but I usually like confit style with the skin on and with the bone still on. That way it retains all of that delicious, juicy flavor. This one felt a little bit, I don't want to say dry because the sauce was nice for it, but needed seasoning and just felt a little flat. So otherwise that was a great dish. And then for our steak, we did the 20-ounce bone-in ribeye, which was very nice. It was cooked a little bit under, which I don't mind usually, but the fat again didn't render, similar with the bacon. So I think that could have been improved a bit. Not a lot of aged flavor on it, but it was nicely seasoned, good crust and everything. So that was pretty good. Then on the sides, we did 2 sides. We did the one that came with the duck was crispy potato skins. Very much enjoyed those. Nice and crispy. They were more like wedges than skins. And then we also did the cream spinach, which I liked a lot as well. It was in the style of the creamless cream spinach, meaning, you know, a lot of times they substitute cream with butter, but I think this one had cream, just wasn't a lot. And I love that because then it's not soupy and you still get all that nice green flavor with it. And I think if we had gotten them together, we did the spinach with the steak and the potatoes with the duck. If we had gotten them together, I would have been dunking the potatoes into the spinach. They're just a combo made in heaven. It'd be perfect. So I would like to go back again and try maybe the porterhouse, maybe the double cut lamb chops, and dessert. We were kind of full, so we skipped dessert. They did have a couple of nice selections that caught my eye. So maybe next time if we go back, I will try those. And you know, like I said earlier, jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, read the full review, the full write-up, everything, all the photos, very detailed review, as I said. And, you know, like always, make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and scream at your fucking grandma over the fucking sound of the subway.